Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi says, the breeze at dawn has secrets to tell you. Don't go back to sleep. You must ask for what you really want. Don't go back to sleep. People are going back and forth across the door sill. The door is round and open. Don't go back to sleep. I would love to kiss you. The price of kissing is your life. Now, my loving is running towards my life, shouting. What a bargain. Let's buy it. One has to be a seeker. But before becoming a seeker, one has to become a lover. You cannot become a lover if you have felt of worldly attachments. World is here in front of us to give us experiential knowledge, understanding that it is changeable, transient entity. Laugh, sing, dance, make love, have children, create houses, money and power. And yet in a moment, death snatches everything and leaves you shivering, shaking in fear and ultimately drowning in unconsciousness. Possible to taste the divine wine of love if you haven't met a sheikh. Understand? One has to become a name. A reed flute. One has to become empty, hollow. Then all the poetry and all the music will come through you. This divine love occupies heart and mind, and then all universe seems as if it is just the beloved peeping to us from behind the sun, behind the stars and moon, flowers and trees, man and woman, children and old. Once this divine love makes its roots in the heart, person gets overwhelmed, drenched in this beautiful experience where the mind goes into the zone of silence. The whole universe then exhibits the divine dance of love. One who has surrendered to the Lord is called the Sufi. And Sufi sings the zikr. Illallah. There is no reality but God. There is only God. Zikr has three parts. The first is the denial of everything visible. Second is the explosion into the individual. And the third part is the outbreathing of divine presence. Who? Sufi sings who? That which is, that which was.